What is Homebuilder software? Homebuilder software helps general contractors manage their projects, customers, and services through a complete system designed to handle all aspects of a job. Common features of Homebuilder software include integration with vendor purchasing and subcontractor scheduling systems, allowing administrators to expedite project and inventory management. A job bidding and proposal generator quickly creates bids to secure new opportunities, inform current customers about new projects, and supply estimates to current assignments. Specialized job costing and invoicing makes use of expense data to improve estimating accuracy and make billing more efficient. Critical Path Method is a project modeling algorithm which schedules hundreds of individual tasks with some degree of flexibility that must all be completed by a set deadline. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.